Today, we're in Toledo, a beautiful city in the center of Spain.
Creo que esta es una de las estaciones más bonitas que tiene España, la de Toledo.
Toledo is very famous for its medieval constructions. Throughout history, Jews, Christians, and Muslims have lived here, recognizing her as the city of the three cultures. This beautiful city is in the community of Castilla-La Mancha and was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1986. During the week, there's an average of 15 trains per day for the journey from Madrid to Toledo. Today, we're taking the train to go to Toledo from here. This is the Atocha station in Madrid. You can't miss visiting Toledo when you come to Madrid. It's a short trip from the city center. If you don't want to take a train, you can also go by bus, taxi, or if you prefer, rent a car. For us, taking the train is easy and very comfortable. It's about a half-hour journey from here. You can purchase your tickets on the Renfe's website. It's very easy. If you want to get your tickets before getting to the train station, go to www.renfe.com. I'll leave you the link of their website in the description box. Once you're in renfe.com, you choose your departure station. In this case, it would be from Atocha station to arrive at Toledo station. Don't forget to enter the amount of passengers that are going with you on the train. Then you choose your departure date and your return date. Click on accept and then click on search for a ticket. On the next page, you select the departure time and then choose the return time. Once your options are set, it'll provide you with the final cost of your tickets. The ticket that you bought already has a return journey back to Madrid from Toledo, so you don't have to worry about getting an extra ticket. For around 23 euros per person, you can go back and forth to Toledo from Madrid. You need to fill in your personal details before completing the ticket purchase. This is a must, guys. If you bought only a one-way ticket, then for the return ticket, you do the same, but starting at the Toledo station and arriving at Madrid, Puerta de Atocha.
Llegamos a Toledo. Creo que esta es una de las estaciones más bonitas que tiene España, la de Toledo.
Toledo has a population of about 87,000 people and receives over 1 million visitors year-round from all around the world. This is the Santa Cruz Museum. We won't be entering, but this is the outside. Around here, you'll come across many alleys and small craft shops selling souvenirs, making it impossible to pass by without entering one. They offer everything, from jewelry to swords. If you're trying to save some money on your trip, Toledo is very budget friendly. You can find a wide variety of snacks and wines in small shops all around. This is Zocodover Square, named after the Arabic Souk ad-Dawab. I'm sure I didn't say that right. In its early days, it was used for livestock trading. Over time, it transitioned into a market of all kinds of sales. Nowadays, it's used for Toledo's celebrations, including New Year's, Christmas markets, and book fairs. Close to Zocodover is the Primate Cathedral of Toledo, or La Catedral Primada. The entrance fee is 12 euros, and you can purchase tickets on their website or directly at the cathedral entrance. To purchase tickets for the cathedral, you can visit their website. I'm going to leave you the link in the bio. Click on Ticket Sales. On the next page, you'll find options like Cathedral Visit plus Lumina for 33 euros, Visit Cathedral Primada Toledo for 12 euros, or just Lumina. Choose the second option, Visit Catedral Primada. Select the date you want to visit, choose the entry time, and the number of people in your group. The total amount to be paid will be displayed. Click on Continue and enter your personal information. Keep in mind that you're going to have a certain time to complete your purchase. Select your payment method and you're all set. You now have your tickets for the Primate Cathedral, or La Catedral Primada. Other places you can visit here in Toledo are the Bisagra Gate, located in the north of the city, and the Alcázar of Toledo, a fortress on rocks situated at the highest part of Toledo. Inside the Alcázar, you can explore the Army Museum and the current Regional Library of Castilla-La Mancha. The general entrance fee is 5 euros. You can virtually visit the Army Museum of Toledo for free. I've provided the link below in the box for you to explore. If you prefer an in-person visit while you're here, it's open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Inside, you'll find a permanent exhibition in various rooms, each with its specific collection. It offers a journey through the wonderful history of Spain. The Mosque of Cristo de la Luz, a marvel of the Islamic art. According to its history, it was built in the year 999. It is the oldest monument in the city of Toledo. Personally, we couldn't visit because of our time, but in my opinion, I believe it's one of those places you must see while you're here. We're done with the visit around Toledo. Don't forget to subscribe, share a video with your friends and family, and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video, guys. Bye!
Pero, ¡ay! 4 y 2 son 6 y 2 son 8 y 8, 10.
¡Nos vamos de Segovia! Hemos bebido, hemos pasado un día espectacular. Todo super nice.